Babe, come pan aside with me. Tuggy them the right down the side weed pan with. Better than did make me know so them I got their old pan in front of weed pan with the car with them pan the ends. Forward.
I wonder where them two crosses the Dongesa plan. I wonder if a them better than a sin for condirt Brandon in that heathen, yeah.
Yes, officer, this is Brandon's mother. How what happened to my son, officer? How what happened to my son? Lord Jesus Christ, officer. How what happened to my son? Officer, talk to me, no man. Officer, talk to me. How what happened to my son?
Nurse, good afternoon, nurse. My name is Ashley and I'm here to visit a gunshot victim. Just came in not too long ago named Brandon. Could you tell me where his room is so I can go and see him? He's my boyfriend.
Officer, me tuggy, you know, me tuggy, me nah have no gun, officer, me nah have no gun. See, this me lift up on my shirt, the officer, me nah have no gun at all, for me, officer, so me don't know what you talk about. Drop which gun, officer, me nah have no gun. January Star officer, me don't know what go on, but me not feel good. Me want do the more want PT officer, January Star. Me not forget use the bathroom officer, and I got car taste still in about channel. Me not forget to use our fire bathroom first. Please, officer.
Well, I work question, me I say I choose to not tuggy. Hey, oh, this trap I go. Tell the police them have that. Oh, this trap I go. Because I send shot foot for this trap, you know. Over Black Sea Yard, you know. So are you responsible for that, you know? So it's either you have to go pay for that, or shot foot family them have to go pay for that. But just know someone about must struck by my hands. You hear that?
Right now, me I make the conscious decision and the choice to go up on the other side of the fence and show them boy what time it is. They not gonna even see it coming, man. When them feel like a peace and safety, trust and believe. Sudden disruption.
You answer that?
You don't say ask the wrong man them question never boss. You can't go ask tuggy what go on cause I man in the dead. Never dead officer. See you can't ask me them the question there. And a my gun. You don't hold me with no gun. So I don't know what you talk about.
So you're full of argument. I better say me come over this and slam your head in the wall the boy better than. You need to stop go around man and come straight